Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Maltese Trough in Heartopia game Maltese event update. Okay, in this update guys, there is a new animal. This one. It's called Maltese, and you can find the trough to interact with them or to give them food. And if you want to find them, you can just track. I'm gonna go back to the puppy friend hunt and we can click on go check in, and then you just need to follow the guide. And actually guys, the Maltese is on this island, the forest island, so I'm just going to use the bus stop. This is new bus stop. Okay, let me go to this bus stop and let's go to the forest island. Okay guys, I've already arrived at the forest island, and this is the Maltese Trough, and you can give Maltese their food. I'm gonna give them my strawberry and also my pineapple. Okay, and we can click on feed. Okay, and you will find the Maltese around here. If you meet the Maltese, you will be able to interact with them. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the Maltese Trough in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.